Unity, how to heal acid reflux. Only you can heal yourself. Hello New Earth. It's the Unity philosopher here with Upgra Health. Today, we have the opportunity of exploring a space not normally seen, and not entirely understood either. Inside our torsos exists a whole system that is either set up in your favor, or not. Because of modern-day conditioning, our bodies have been slowly shaped and formed to begin working against us as we begin to get into our later years of life. To heal ourselves of acid reflux, it helps to first understand why and how it happens in the first place. Acid reflux, a digestive disease that happens in the stomach after eating certain kinds of foods because the current shape and condition of your stomach cannot handle that capacity of food matter consumed. The two factors causing acid reflux are the shape and the size of the stomach. The shape, or distance between the sternum and the chin, and the size of the stomach, or internal space that you have. As a result, our gut begins to react to food we have just consumed using what little stomach acid we have available. However, it is not enough, so we then get acid reflux. Some form of water liquid is the only temporary relief that helps at that point. On top of this all, the chemicals they put in our food doesn't help. Also, because of the density of the popular fast food chains, that kind of food mostly sinks in our lower intestines, causing clogs and bloating. In order to heal the years of damage that our bodies have received, we must create two daily goals. One is to increase the distance between your belly button and your chin. Two is to consistently begin creating more internal space using your breath. There is a daily practice you can begin doing to accomplish this. Depending on the severity of the disease, it might take above a year of daily work to find healing. However, once you begin to feel the results, all that work becomes worth it. You can let the doctors, Big Pharma, attempt in healing your gut, or you can accept the guaranteed long-term self-healing results and never feel the pain and hassle of acid reflux again. Thanks so much for joining us on this journey of healing. Feel free to share this video with anyone in need and let's bring healing together. Healing is in your hands. Thanks for spending time with Upgra Health. Take care.